They are funky. It smells like cat food, if I'm being honest. But this is the garlic. Let's give it a shot. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines. Today we're going to be doing another snack challenge. I'm trying out my new camera mount. So it's kind of looking down on me rather than going up. We'll see if it looks any better. You can kind of see my kitchen in the background, so we'll see what it looks like. Today we're going to be trying some tuna chicharrones. Mary went to General Santos down in Mindanao, which is at the southern tip of the Philippines. General Santos is on the ocean there, and they're very famous for their tuna. So she bought some tuna chicharrones. We'll see how those are. I've never had fish chicharrones before. Usually they're made of like pork skin. So let's give it a shot. I've got 4 different flavors today. First up, let's try garlic. These are from Aline's. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly, the brand. Ooh, you better love fish smell. It smells like, if you've ever been in the Philippines, buwad, which is dried fish. I mean, it's just like a piece of fish skin. They are funky. It smells like cat food, if I'm being honest. But this is the garlic. Let's give it a shot. Wow. I mean, crunchy. I'm not getting much garlic flavor. Super fish. It's like eating sardines. If you've ever had a can of sardines. Yeah, it's like eating cat food. They're pretty low calorie. The serving size is 50 grams, which is this whole bag. So there's only 300 calories in this whole bag, and most of that is from fats. The garlic flavor is okay. Maybe these other flavors will be better. Out of a score of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this a 5.5. Not terrible. I might eat them again. I mean, they're crunchy, they're salty. Super fish taste, which isn't bad, but if you like funky sardines in a can, this would be right up your alley. So yeah, 5.5 for the garlic. Next, let's go simple. Well, I thought simple. This is salted egg. So I don't know what the egg is gonna add to it. Whew. Whew. I mean, just funky, just straight funky. Yeah, you can see it's just fish skin, a little dried piece underneath. Maybe that's meat. I mean, there's 30 grams of protein in this bag, which is nice. Let's try a chip. Let's see how it tastes. Salted egg. Somehow less fishy. Pretty good. It says this is made in General Santos City. So it's made locally there. It definitely tastes less fishy. Just a little bit sweet, actually. I can taste any egg. It says pure tuna skin, garlic, pepper, salt, and special seasoning. I don't know what the special seasoning is. Maybe that's powdered egg. It's like mildly sweet, fishy, a little bit of salt. I don't taste much pepper or garlic, but the salted egg I think is better. I would probably eat these more likely than the garlic itself. I'm trying to think of how else to describe it. Super crunchy, like pork chicharron, but if someone also snuck a sardine inside, like you're eating a little sandwich of chicharrones and sardines. So interesting. Overall, it's okay. Nice little healthy snack with omega-3s in it. I'm gonna give this a 6.5, maybe. Yeah, we'll go 6.5. Like it. I might not buy these again, but I would definitely eat them again if someone had them. So salted egg, 6.5. We got 2 more of these flavors. Let's see. Curry. Curry promises to have some nice flavor to it. It's definitely yellow. Oh, it smells like curry. Okay, that's good. No fish at all. It's pure curry scent. Just like turmeric, garlic. I mean, you can see they're yellow. This is a huge one. Yeah, let's give it a shot. Okay. Sweet. Classic yellow curry flavor. I mean, I could eat a few of these. This is much better. Oh yeah. Whoever came up with the curry idea is a genius, because I mean, this is way better than the other ones. It doesn't smell like fish. It tastes like a nice curry, like cereal snack. It says you can even toast them in the oven for 5 seconds to refresh the crispiness of leftover, it says. I think they're fine as is. Nice and crispy. It comes in a resealable pouch. Definitely heavy turmeric, garlic. I don't know enough spices to go into curry, but traditional yellow curry flavor. Super delicious. This I would definitely buy again, especially because it's so high in protein. With all my going to the gym and stuff, I try to get a lot of protein in. This is a solid 7.5. So we're going up in steps. 5.5, 6.5. This is 7.5. This one's excellent. I like this. Highly recommend. If you go to Jinsun, get the curry flavored tuna chicharrones. Next, we're gonna go with hot and spicy. If you watched any of my videos, you know I love spicy food. So sometimes the Philippines doesn't do spice very well, but hopefully these are nice and spicy. Let's give it a smell. The fish smell is back. Less fishy than the others. I'm not seeing a lot of seasoning on the outside. Just traditional like fish skin look. Let's give it a shot. Barbecue. No fish taste when I'm eating it, which is nice. Okay. Much more garlic, a little bit of chili powder. In terms of spice, 1 out of 10 spice is like a 1.5, maybe. Not very spicy, a little bit, like a little hint. They're kind of like barbecue chips. This reminds me of like spicy pig skins in America. I grew up in Georgia, which is famous for having a lot of pork, and they love to make like pork skins or chicharrones there. This is good. I don't like it quite as much as the curry, just because the curry had so much good flavor, but this one doesn't have the fish taste either, so it's nice. I give this one a 7.2 out of 10. Very delicious. Not as spicy as I like it, but you know, some people just can't handle spice, so I understand. I wish they made a super spicy version. I would love to try that. I think she mentioned a few other flavors that they had, so if you are in Jinsan or ever visit, go to Aline's or Pasalubong Center there. I'm sure they'll have them, and try the tuna chicharrones. My personal suggestion is the curry and the hot and spicy, both delicious. 7.5 and a 7.2 out of 10 for these. So that's our tuna chicharron snack taste test today. I think this is number 16. So we've got a lot of snacks under our belt so far. We've tried snacks from Bacolod, Iloilo. We've done some pasalubong here in Cebu City, and just general snacks in the Philippines overall. So if there are any snacks in the Philippines you think I should try, let me know. I'll try anything. I've got a whole closet full of maybe another 50 or 100 snacks we'll try. Hopefully by the time this comes out, we'll be fully monetized. Luckily, we've been getting a lot of views and stuff lately, so that's great. Once we're monetized, one of the options you can do is offer a membership section. And anyone who becomes a member can suggest snacks for a video. I'll try anything you want. I don't want to do balut and toslo buwa, but if someone wants to request a balut taste test video, I'll try it. We'll try anything. All the money from this, again, goes to helping kids at the orphanage I volunteer at. So if I have to eat balut to get a little bit of extra money to help them out, we'll do that. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. We appreciate it. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.